I had this thing in my mind and notion कि यार ये पिक्चर जो है थिएटर में लगने वाला, you also had that theater in notion, right? And we talked about that as well because it's a different feeling altogether. दिल से सच बात बताना, eventually it was of course not your call. It was a decision of the makers to put it on OTT. But अंदर का जो creative artist है जो हमेशा से अपने आप को that 70 mm big screen में like a flashing hero देखना चाहता था, उसको दुख हुआ था, दर्द हुआ था?
बहुत हुआ.
How did you initially absorb that trolling part, because you're not used to that? As maybe part sometimes the celebrity that you used to it, but your characters have never been trolled. What is the difference in understanding that part?
See, everything in life at first, when you don't expect things and it comes out as a shock. That is first step. Second step, then you react to it. Third step, you accept.
शिवाजी साटम साहब ने आपको कुछ बोला था regarding all this कि because he's a senior veteran in that space, right? And at the end of the day, conversations have been about replacing him. So did he tell you anything कि यार maybe दिल पे मत लगाओ या ऐसा कुछ? Did he say anything like that?
नहीं. When I met him for the very first time, I think more than the actor, I feel I connected with him more humanly because he started asking me questions about family. I met Arjun the other day party में and और ACP कैसे चल रहा है CID तो मैंने आइडिया कैसे जा रही है there was zero expectation. तो ये चीज आपको सिखाती है कि एक्सपेक्टेशन मत करके जाओ, which is not easy. आप ह्यूमन हो, आपने एफर्ट्स डाले, आप एक्सपेक्ट करो rather than वो काम क्या कर रहे, मतलब अगर उनका कुछ कोई घर का रील या कुछ वीडियो या कुछ वो शायद 50 मिलियन क्रॉस कर गया, लेकिन पिक्चर देखने के लिए 50 लाख करना भी मुश्किल है. वो एक पिक्चर उनकी, तो it's very unfortunate.
भाई मुझे एक चीज बोलो, after that podcast we did an interview with you and I remember it was during Ghudchari, right? And हम लोग ने इंटरव्यू किया, मजेदार था etc. I remember during the time of the interview I had this thing in my mind and notion कि यार ये पिक्चर जो है थिएटर में लगने वाला, you also had that theater in notion, right? And we talked about that as well because it's a different feeling altogether. दिल से सच बात बताना, eventually it was of course not your call. It was a decision of the makers to put it on OTT. But अंदर का जो creative artist है जो हमेशा से अपने आप को that 70 mm big screen में like a flashing hero देखना चाहता था, उसको दुख हुआ था, दर्द हुआ था?
बहुत हुआ. And it was basically it was हर एक इंसान का जो भी बाहर से आता है, especially outside industry, they want to reach out and that's the final outcome. The 70 mm screen where you see yourself because you've been grown up watching that and you enter into that field of industry of being an artist or director thinking that कि एक दिन मेरी पिक्चर यहाँ लगेगी, एक दिन क्राउड आएगा देखेंगे मेरा नाम वहाँ लगेगा. So and it takes a lot of hard work to reach there.
Absolutely.
So yes, it was a heartbreaking decision or moment that was, but you need to understand your pros and cons. You need to be practical also. And it was a practical decision of what I think from the makers. And I mean, you can't hold it कि काश ऐसा होता. You can't complain काश ऐसा होता. You have to hope that it reaches out to people and your hard work or your work is being appreciated and I was being appreciated, to be honest, and I did good. That's what I got the review from all the audience, even my family or even the industry people. So I'm glad about that.
Exactly, मैं उसी चीज पे आना चाहता था कि when I saw the film on this time with Jio Cinema था, it was not Jio Hotstar together. मैंने देखा था and I remember मैंने घर पे ही देखा था with my partner and we both enjoyed it because एक और special reason था कि यार कुछ दिन पहले हम लोग इंटरव्यू करके आए इस चीज का, I want to watch what he's up to and all that stuff ऐसे करके, तो we both enjoyed it. In fact, the track that Sanjay Dutt sir का जो आया था Raveena ma'am के साथ, again second time giving love a second opportunity. Your whole story with Khushali's character, how it was twisted, it was entertaining, right? But eventually शायद जो impact हो सकता था on screen 70 mm में वो same impact नहीं हुआ, right? I want to understand कि मेहनत तो उतना ही लगता है जितना 70 mm के लिए कर रहे हो, OTT के लिए भी मेहनत तो उतना ही लगता है, right? But ये results जब तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं रहता, but at the same time the appreciation is absolutely at that A level. But शायद जो logistics part है वो शायद A level hit नहीं होता, B level पे रह जाता है. वो actor के लिए कितना difficult होता है to absorb and also just come to terms with that fact.
ऐसे बहुत सारे situations होते हैं and सबके लिए अपना एक first experience होता है. For example, actor called obviously we all know Shahid Kapoor, and he said in the interview के मैंने जर्सी के लिए जितनी मेहनत करी या मैंने एक और फिल्म थी जो उसके लिए मैंने बहुत मेहनत की, वो नहीं चली. And whereas a film like तेरी बातों में, it was easy for me to do it. It was not so much of efforts and all. That film worked. So, and of course, I know Samantha. No,
Yeah.
Samantha. Samantha. I think. The kind of the appreciation she got from one item song in Pushpa
Yeah,
was nothing to what she was expecting from Family Man.
correct.
So you don't know what works where. And but what we saw that all these artists gave their 100% in all their projects. ऐसा कहीं लगा नहीं कि अरे यार could have done better और किसी और को करना चाहिए. नहीं, they do their part. They move on. Yes, we all expect. It's good to expect. It's human. But with that we learn our experiences. Like मैं कहता हूँ मुझे मुझे एक बात पता है about Ajay Devgn sir. And I will not mention what he does, but he has the same reaction sitting in the balcony and he is looking outside. Picture flop hui, he's doing that. Picture hit hui, wo wahi baithe balcony. That's how I think one should be, and it takes a lot of experiences. Of course, आप जब young होते हो, you have to prove yourself. ये वो करेंगे, ऐसे करेंगे, expect भी करो. But overall, you have to understand that there is a lot of, I would say, destiny and interventions, a lot of people's hopes, aspirations, crisscrossing. So yeah, you can't challenge them. It's not in your hands. What you can do is, being an artist, you entertain them. That's it.
Consistently.
That's
जो तुम कर सकते हो. मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि have you ever felt like this where you felt that in terms of art and creativity as an artist, as an actor ready home for the industry in terms of just the art part of it, but the ramifications or the kind of street smartness that you need to survive and thrive in the industry, मैं उस चीज के लिए रेडी नहीं हूँ. कभी सेम टाइम पे ये फीलिंग आया है?
Yeah, मैं अपने आप को उसमें इंक्लूड करता हूँ. The street smart or the selfishness or the how mind games, मैं उस पार्ट के लिए रेडी नहीं हूँ. तब से जब से मैंने एक्टिंग की शुरुआत की,
अभी तक अपने आप को रेडी कंसीडर नहीं
करता. Because अपने आप से being an actor, I feel it's important that आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स चलेंगे नहीं चलेंगे, but it's important to understand कि people should know that you are willing to work for their projects or you are available, you want to work with them. You can't expect कि नहीं मेरा काम देखेंगे लोग और अगर अच्छा लगा तो खुद कॉल कर लेंगे. You can't say that. This industry में doesn't work that, unfortunately. And I am that way. I am that way कि मुझे लगता है कि अगर मेरा काम अच्छा होगा तो लोग मुझे बुलाएंगे. That was my unfortunate part कि मुझे वो एक्सपेक्ट करना था. मुझे बाकी लोगों ने बहुत एडवाइसेस दी कि ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है कि यहाँ पर आप घर बैठ के एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट हो गया, आपको लोगों को दिखाना होगा, आपको लोगों को पहुंचानी होगी अपनी खबर. And you never know, मतलब they feel कि right now they are looking for such character, but they don't have you in their mind because they have never seen it.
Yeah.
So उनको याद नहीं है, उनको याद दिलाना पड़ता है, उनके पास reach out करना पड़ता है. So you have to keep meeting people is what I learned from this industry. I'm still learning.
एक पिछले इंटरव्यू में यू टॉकिंग अबाउट मैं हीरो बोल रहा हूँ एंड सडनली आई रिमेंबर्ड आई थिंक 2020 या 21 अराउंड दैट कोविड का टाइम जो था उस टाइम पे आया था.
Yes.
मैंने देखा था and it was so unlike the part that we had seen in Kaisi Ayari and others, right? And I think it was so refreshing, but because maybe a certain image over a period of time, you talk about Kaisi Ayari, this like the chocolate boy thing that people were talking about, right? Bana, you actually put your level A game to actually come out of that thing. But do you think because तुमने extra मेहनत किया to come out of a very safe zone, it kind of backfired and now you are scared to take more risks like that because तुमको पता है कि यार अगर करूंगा it might not come off that way.
नहीं, अभी तो मैं उसका रिजल्ट्स के बारे में तो मैं सोचता ही नहीं. I think every artist,
because I really feel वो शो को और ड्यू मिलना चाहिए था.
of course, और वही चीज हुई कि आप जिससे कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो वो नहीं हुआ, आपने बहुत हार्ड वर्क डाला. But that is life. Again, coming back to your question, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे?
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ तुमसे कि अगर उस टाइम पे when you moved out from that safe space of something that you have done over
yes. So I was saying I don't think there is any sort of fear to do any project, to take up any project, because thankfully there are so many platforms willing to. पहले कैसा था, clear था, television था, film थी, but now there is a big bridge that has been connected is OTT space. So a lot of actors, artists, technical people are getting work. उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे अप्रूव नहीं हो रहे तो यहाँ हो रहे, यहाँ नहीं हो रहे तो वहाँ हो रहे. So luckily people are getting work, but yes, unfortunately right now the situation is tough. The situation, lot of web series के next seasons are being shelved. timing is not right, budgets are going out of the box. So yeah, things are very tight right now, and I hope things resolve, especially for Bollywood, especially for theaters. Uh, Unfortunately, things are not working out. Films are not being appreciated the way it deserves.
Sure.
So yeah, I don't have that fear. I just have one thing. Like for example, when I did Kaisi Yariya, there was zero expectation. There was zero expectation. तो ये चीज आपको सिखाती है कि एक्सपेक्टेशन मत करके जाओ, विच इज नॉट इजी. आप ह्यूमन हो, आपने एफर्ट्स डाले, आप एक्सपेक्ट करो, आप चाहते हो कि यार ये तो चली जाए क्योंकि ये स्टोरी ना बहुत सही, बहुत सही. भाई ऐसी स्टोरी आज तक बनी नहीं. पता चलता है वो स्टोरी किसी ने देखी. तो ये होता है. तो यू डोंट नो व्हाट वर्क्स व्हेन. सो इट्स बेटर टू जस्ट लीव इट टू द डेस्टिनी, लीव इट टू गॉड एंड सी इफ इट वर्क्स आउट और नॉट.
तुमको इंडस्ट्री में एज एन एक्टर कितने साल हो गए अभी?
10 साल,
10 years.
11 साल.
Yeah, 10 years, 11 years in the industry. And I believe till the time CID happened, you had never been trolled, which is a very rare thing for an actor, because आजकल के टाइम पे पहले प्रोजेक्ट से ही लोगों को ट्रोलिंग मिलना चालू है. फॉर द ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 years. It's like Sachin Tendulkar has been one of the players जिसको for a period of 10 years लगातार ड्रॉप नहीं हुआ कभी. Similarly, अगर मैं उसको कोरिलेट करूं with that, yeah. So it was very new for you, right? कि वो सब reaction झेलना. हालांकि you took it very positively, and I think your colleagues, your other actors as well, even Rishikesh ji उनके साथ मेरे से भी जब कर रहा था, he was so positively talking about you that he was there. I think he was sharing one incident as well where सब actors लोग खाना खा रहे थे and you were there, and then they said कि नहीं आप भी आओ हमारे साथ, and he was talking about the unity of the set कि सब लोग हमेशा CID के set पे एक साथ रहते हैं. Vanity Van वगैरह लॉक वॉक नहीं रहता कुछ. So that is very different from usual stuff, right? How did you initially absorb that trolling part, because you're not used to that? As maybe part sometimes the celebrity that you used to it, but your characters have never been trolled. What is the difference in understanding that part?
See, everything in life at first, when you don't expect things and it comes out as a shock. That is first step. Second step, then you react to it. Third step, you accept, and then you see now what. So similar thing happened to me. Anything. So similar thing happened to me कि I was not in a state of mind कि अरे ऐसा भी हो सकता है. People can speak negative about me because it's a good show. It's such a iconic show. And I didn't take it in such a way कि oh okay, see that the one is being replaced or I have to fill in his shoes, a new character, that to a young one. So yes, I was shocked. I was taken aback, and then I realized कि यार this show has been such an iconic show for so many people. And CID has a different set of audience.
Correct.
It doesn't have an audience of daily soap. It doesn't have an audience of films. It has a different set of audience.
Correct.
So they don't know you, more or less, and you're coming there as a completely new character. And plus, these characters have been such an integral part of their
life.
That being replacing that is next to impossible. And I remember Daya sir saying in one interview that it is impossible to replace ACP Pradyuman of what image he has left in the show. So yes, ACP Ayushman will be a new character, new ACP, but not something similar to him.
But ये तुमको लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया लोगों के बीच में, because at the end of the day ACP Pradyuman is also there, ACP Ayushman is also there, right? But maybe do you feel कि मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग फैल गया था कि प्रद्युमन साहब जा रहे because उनका कुछ डेथ का वो कुछ एक सिनेरियो था जहाँ पे वो दिखाया जा रहा था, so people thought that you are completely replacing it, but it's not actually a replacement. It's actually an addition. ये कुछ misunderstanding हुआ है लोगों को, क्या लगता है?
नहीं, misunderstanding की बात नहीं थी. ये basically it is important for television to create mystery or any film or any show. We all want people to think. We all want people to guess.
Predictable हो जाएगा तो क्या?
अगर हम पहले ही सब कुछ दे देंगे तो there's no fun. Like for example, I was taken on this show. I was being told that I'm just there for like 4 to 5 episodes. And I'm like ठीक है, 4 to 5 episodes कर लेंगे, उतना ही है. Then I was told कि जैसे 4-5 एपिसोड खत्म हुए, then they thought अच्छा now we've invested so much, why don't we extend it?
Right.
तो फिर वो that got extended to 2 months, 2 to 3 months. And then I was like ठीक है करते हैं अच्छा, because I was already enjoying.
Yeah.
So it was always a part. It was always there. Now if at all, if I had given it out at the start itself कि मैं सिर्फ 4-5 एपिसोड के लिए, then there's no fun. There's no this thing कि यार फिर क्या है 4-5 एपिसोड, then they know the story कि अच्छा आगे, then they start
प्रद्युमन साहब वापस आ जाएंगे.
So we don't want that to happen. We want to keep them in as mysterious way as possible, and let them keep guessing.
Thinking.
Yeah. So now that if people are watching CID, now that they'll come to know okay, ACP sir is alive, and how he comes back and all that.
But Shivaji Satam साहब ने आपको कुछ बोला था regarding all this कि because he's a senior
Correct.
veteran in that space, right? And at the end of the day, conversations have been about replacing him. So
Correct.
did he tell you anything कि यार maybe दिल पे मत लगाओ या ऐसा कुछ? Did he say anything like
नहीं
that? Have
नहीं
that
नहीं
conversation?
when I met him for the very first time, morely I think more than the actor, I feel I connected with him more humanly because he started asking straight away. He started asking me questions about family, okay, and plus the Marathi connection.
Yeah.
So I felt that I was talking to someone from Pune, like a family member. And तू कुठून आहे, तू काय करतो, तुझे वडील काय करतात, तुझी आई काय करते, all that. What your mom does, what your dad does, how do you stay over here, you stay alone, all that. So basically, it was like getting to know each other more than the professionalism. And then he saw what I was doing because I had scenes with him, and then he was like, "नहीं अच्छा किया, अच्छा किया, अच्छा किया." So he liked it. Yes, ऐसा नहीं था कि he had something to give or something यार किसको ले लिया ऐसा कुछ. But yeah, नहीं अच्छा कर अच्छा. So he was there. So I was like observing him, his sense of humor, and the entire set looks up to him like a father. Because obviously he's that mature. Correct. And then I found out, I realized he's 75. Still, he kept it going. I'm like 75. My God, it takes a lot of over the years. You have to keep yourself.
But he hardly looks 75. Right? Doesn't look 75
Just
at all.
imagine. And the energy that he has, it's mind blowing. It's just inspiring. So we enjoyed shooting with him, and plus the entire set is all friendly. They're all respectful to each other because such veteran actors work in the show for so long, and they are also so humble. There are no tantrums, and like you said, they share the same vanity room, same changing room. Yeah. It's a big room where all the people they change their clothes, they get ready, they talk, they eat, everything, they crack jokes, and it was so beautiful to see such unity amongst the team. You will never see it. I don't think you will ever see in other shows because everyone comes from different background, differently, and everyone wants their own vanity, their space. And especially when they want to shoot their own videos,
Correct.
selfies, and all. They don't want to be embarrassed in
Yeah.
front of people.
Right.
So yeah, everyone wants their personal space. But over here, it's all family.
Exactly. वो that's why जब ऋषिकेश सर ने मुझे बोला कि हमारे यहाँ पे तो ऐसा होता है कि किसी का वैनिटी बंद रहता है तो हम बोलते हैं कि अरे लॉक खोलो ऐसे करो.
Correct.
That is the kind of
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah.
right? When you back CID is a big show, right? It's a legacy, it's a memory in itself for so many people. आपके जो इंडस्ट्री के अगर दोस्त है कोई वगैरह एक्सेट्रा कोई खुश हो कि आपको किसी ने मैसेज किया दैट पार्थ वी आर सीइंग यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्क फॉर आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम घुड़चरी के बाद एक्सेट्रा किसी ने आपको बधाई दिया कांग्रेचुलेट किया
और बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बधाई दी एंड I feel a lot of people just congratulated and like I met Arjun the other day party में and he was like और ACP कैसे चल रहा है CID so yeah मतलब everyone knows about it and it's just that everyone is so busy and into their own lives. Social media is the space where everyone gets to know each other. They wish each other on social media and that's about it actually. And a lot of friends who I had, very few friends from the industry, they will actually share it on their story. They will congratulate me on WhatsApp. But yeah, they want to know how the shoot is going on because one thing I've noticed, everyone have their, they have a specific image of CID. It's not like other shows. Like for example, when I was working on Kasauti, even me, I'm like, CID to wo hai.
Correct.
So like I met some couple of TV actors. They are doing their TV shows and all. और सर कैसे चल रहा है मजा आता होगा ना मजा आता बिकॉज दे नो कि मतलब ये अलग ही लेवल का होगा ये अलग ही शूटिंग प्रोसेस होगा ये अलग से रोना धोना नहीं है कुछ नहीं है मजा आता होगा टीम सही है और शूटिंग भी ऐसी होगी डायलॉग्स भी ऐसे होते हैं अरे यार हमारी टीम में तो वही चल रहा है वही हम कर रहे हैं वही हम खड़े हैं so it's fun it's so much fun and I feel I'm lucky enough, I'm blessed enough that at least I got because I'm never expecting that.
Yeah.
That was the least मतलब क्या बोलते हैं expected show for me like not even 0.1% I could be a part of such a show.
Yeah. But ACP Ayushman's character, do you think has helped you discover a new perspective about yourself as an actor? Because as I don't think you have played before, right? As a head-stead, strong cop, I don't think you have played this kind of.
No, but as an artist, I feel we all have some wish list. We all have some wish list because we've been grown up watching.
So ये wish list कहीं ना कहीं दिल पे छुपा हुआ था ना अभी जाके बाहर आया.
Yeah. दिल पे छुपा हुआ मतलब यार ये. For example, if you ask any actor that is coming or even a single actor, You want to play a detective, you want to play a cop or spy. No one will say no. Everyone will agree. And if they are saying no, we are looking for better content, they are lying. Everyone in their heart they want to play such characters because such characters are mysterious. Such characters are they have so many layers and it's challenging, it's intriguing. The all thrill, suspense, and all. Everyone wants to play a part. So yes, I'm glad to be part on such a show. And yeah, it's more like a wish list. And I think more than the learning process, I feel more confident because I was shooting with people who have already, and it's still a challenge. Every day I go on the set, I stand alongside them, alongside Daya sir and Abhijit. It's a challenge for me to be their boss and to have that command. And also, it's not like I am their age and I just have to be there. I am a younger one.
Correct.
And also in two minds, whatever I say, it shouldn't come across as an insult. It should be like an authority from an ACP.
Correct.
तो वो भी आनी चाहिए और फिर अंदर वाला एक पार्ट भी बोल रहा है कि
थोड़ा
फंबल ना कर जाए, ज्यादा ना बोल दिया, या फिर मैं ऐसे एवरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज आल्सो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अगर तू मुझे कुछ बोला और मैं वहां टर्न हो गया, वो दैट बी एन इंसल्ट. But you're an AC. You can't give them that so much of attention. But then you will look like you are more vulnerable.
Correct.
So you have to be in your space. You have to be confident enough. So yeah, I'm just trying every day. I'm just trying my best. But yes, luckily there hasn't been any sort of क्या बोलते हैं feedback as such. मैंने in fact बहुत लोगों को जाके पूछा CID में, like the creatives and all. यार तुम लोग को कैरेक्टर तो सही लग रहा है, मतलब I'm talking about like 6 to 8 episodes down.
Yeah.
And I'm asking you, तुमको कैरेक्टर तो सही लग रहा है, बेटर है, समझ में आ रहा है. Yeah, we're liking it, you're doing fab. नहीं मतलब कुछ फीडबैक नहीं आया है, किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं कि मतलब कुछ कर सकते हैं, हाउ कैन वी डू इट, इसको बेटर कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये सही नहीं जा रहा है. यूजुअली दैट हैपेंस.
करेक्ट.
हैप्पी.
मतलब एक ही बार में अच्छे से लग गया.
एंड डायरेक्टर्स ऑब्वियसली दे गाइड यू, दे आर द मोस्ट मतलब सॉर्टेड पीपल, एंड इफ यू आर डायरेक्टर एक्टर it's everything becomes so simple and easy.
So बीच में ये कहावत आया था कि despite everything going well, you are quitting. You are not quitting, right? You've set the record straight. You're not quitting.
I'm not quitting because there was already a plan. There was always a plan where I was being called for like 4 to 5 episodes, then got extended to 2 months, and they gave me a last date also. कि ये तारीख तक आपको इसके बाद आप, because I have my other projects coming up.
Correct.
So that's why I was asking them कि कितना, not like extend हुआ है तो भी मुझे fixed time चाहिए, because I have,
so that it shouldn't clash with anything.
Correct. तो मेरे ये प्रोजेक्ट्स है, तो मैंने मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर डेट दे दी. लकीली इट आई हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम टू रेस्ट आल्सो, टू प्रिपेयर आल्सो फॉर नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, एंड यस, सो या आई कैन डू दैट. सो या आई एम ग्लैड दैट दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली फॉर मी to play a part where I would say you come across play a character in television and you go, because I've always done leads. I've always stood there for the longest period of time. सुबह से रात तक वही रहता हूँ, it gets hectic and all. But यहाँ पर I've got good breaks. I've gotten into the character and I enjoy doing it, because also television shows have their particular sets. So every day you're going to the set, every day you're going to the set. After a certain point, it gets monotonous. फिर आपको लगता है ऑफिस जा रहे हो. But यहाँ पर you have outdoor shoots. Every day is a new beginning. एक दिन फिल्म में होता है, मेरा महेंद्र, एक दिन पासा, एक दिन this thing Pawai.
Correct.
So it's a blessing. I feel you enjoy it. I love traveling, so I like to see new places, random places. तो ऐसे भी शूट था जहाँ पर खंडर था, और वो खंडर में हमने शूट किया है. मतलब पहले तो चीज आती है कि अरे ये तो अपने बचपन में देखा था पिक्चरों में ये हो रहा है, but then you get to see, you get to learn a lot. Like I was there in mud, and there was this खंडर that we were shooting in, और हम टेरेस पे जाते, वहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर पूल है, huge pool, empty, और झाड़ी के वो पत्थर वो सब गिरे हुए हैं, dust west. And then this actor told me कि in 60s and 70s बॉलीवुड की टॉप पार्टीज यहाँ पे होती है. Yeah, so it was so interesting to know, like curiosity, information के ऐसा होता था, and now it's really to this.
उस जमाने में देवानंद साहब बहुत अच्छे पार्टीज रखते थे, तो फिर entire film industry used to attend. I have heard stories from Mr. Nari Hira, who's unfortunately no more. He was the owner of Stardust. वो भी एक से बढ़कर एक पार्टीज रखते थे. I think was mostly वही होते थे. Those right. See, so I got the reference correctly. How nice. लास्ट एक सवाल तुमसे मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि whenever I speak to you, and I've told you this before also, कि मुझे लगता है, I don't know what you feel about yourself, but I feel that you always have a sense of clarity about yourself कि you know say 6 months down the line what do you want to do, आगे जाके क्या, of course you can't predict too much ahead, at least 6 महीने आगे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया क्लैरिटी होता है, जो कि एक्टर्स को बहुत बार नहीं भी होता, बिकॉज they just don't know, they just jump the gun into something, right? But at the same time there's always uncertainty around actors, but do you
I
feel
don't think, sorry to interrupt, I don't think they jump the gun because right now every actor is very, matlab, this thing used to happen in 90s or 2000 that people want work, they are working, they're happy. Right now due to social media and to all, people are giving you reviews about it, feedback and all, everything is criticized or appreciated. So if a project comes to you, you start thinking in 10 different directions. How is it benefiting you? Will it be a loss for you instead? Will it work out? Will it not work out? So every actor is very insecure, very stressed. Will it work? Will it go? Will this take me ahead? Will not? So they decide 100 times before making their mind capture they want to be a part of such a project. So right now they're very this thing. So
but
I
everyone has become an actor, everybody has become a critic.
critic and everyone is scared of, for example, Bollywood. Like we discussed, okay, right now theaters are working very unfortunate and all. So right now Bollywood is also very this thing. This under certain circumstances, let's give them what audience want. Is what Bollywood is coming up with, or Hindi films are coming up with, and that is very unfortunate because people who are having unique mindsets, unique visions and all, no one is giving them this thing there because they are like, अरे आपने देखा है इसकी फिल्म नहीं चली, उसकी फिल्म नहीं चली, आप ये आइडिया को ड्रॉप करो, वो दिखाओ जो ऑडियंस को पसंद है. तो I feel that this phase should change. This phase should become better for cinema, for theaters, and people should keep coming so that we can come up with better content.
क्या बात है, and I genuinely hope